everybody, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it's always an adventure. Where the heck am I at today? Lake Hood in Anchorage, Alaska. I'm just over here watching the planes take off from the water. It's such an awesome sight. I'm Jurek, I'm your host. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, who the heck am I? I'm a real estate investor, gets to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. Where the heck am I at today? I'm in the 49th state, the last frontier, Alaska. I'm actually right by Lake Hood here watching planes take off from the water in Anchorage, Alaska. What do I want to talk about in this video? I always hear people that tell me, Joe, I want to do no money down deals. Now, I would like to do something that might be a little bit different. There goes a plane right now, pretty cool, there they go. A lot of fun, let me tell you. So in any event, they tell me, Joe, I'd like to do a no money down deal. I know about wholesaling, I know about owner financing, I know about lease option. What else do you have for me? This is a huge golden nugget boulder, okay? I want you to start looking for enterprise zones in areas of interest to you. A lot of times cities will offer grants that you don't have to repay if you go into the enterprise zone. How do you find them? What you want to do is go out on Google, and for the cities that you're interested in that are kind of going through kind of a regentrification, they may offer grants to help you as long as those properties are in the enterprise zones. A lot of times they're trying to bring back a part of town that may be a little bit rough and tough or high with crime. And a lot of times there's buildings there that need a lot of love. If you can get a building, if you can get some grants, if you can find those enterprise zones, that might just be the no money down deal you're looking for. Now, is it easy? No. Are they everywhere you look? No. You have to do some digging. You have to do some searching. You got to network. Talk to local chamber of commerces. Google to see if there's an economic development department in an area that you're interested in, and call and talk to them. See what they have available. Let them know you're a real estate investor and you're just looking for programs that they may have, and ask them what they might have available. Again, it's building your network, it's finding what's available, it's finding what's out there. In the past, there's been programs I've seen, they can go ahead and sell a property for $1 if somebody's going to live in that property, or utilize it for not-for-profit or specific type of government agency. So there are different programs that you can look into for reasonable homes. Sometimes, like I said, they may not be in the best top-notch area. It could be a little rough and tough, but find out how long you'd have to own the home. Find out all the stipulations. Some grants I've seen, they will do matching for facade renovation. So say you're going to redo the whole front of the house or the entire house. What are they basically going to do? They're going to match you for the work that you do, and it may be up to a certain dollar amount. Maybe they'll match you dollar for dollar, 50 cents on the dollar, okay? So what you basically want to look at is understand what's involved in the program, understand you get it approved before you jump into it. And what I would look at, even if you got a dollar for dollar match, say up to 10, 15, 20,000, if it's a grant, that's going to be free money. Just make sure you fully understand and meet and are eligible for all the guidelines. Now, as I look at these programs, I've seen various ones across the country. So what I would tell you is, look into those areas that you're interested in and talk to even building and zoning. Talk to the enterprise zone economic development. Talk to people and get to know people, because I'll tell you, a lot of times when properties get run down in areas, they're kind of like an eyesore to the whole neighborhood, eyesore to the whole community, city, etc. So what would I tell you? If you can become friends and let them know, hey, I want to help out by taking on some of those projects. I want to help out by getting some of those deals. Sorry, there goes another plane. Like I said, it's been this way all afternoon. That was kind of a loud one. There they go. Let's watch it for a minute. There it goes. How cool is that? Okay. So in any event, like I had said, with these programs, see what's available, see if it'll work for you. I just want to give you ideas. I want you to break out of that shell. I want you to think about what you can do in your areas to start making your dreams a reality. So get out there, make it happen, believe and achieve. Take care. From Anchorage, Alaska, Lake Hood. Bye-bye.